Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're unlocking the true power of your PlayStation 5 and gaming PC with the ORICO OS5 2TB M.2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe Gaming SSD, a lightning-fast storage expansion built for speed, performance, and reliability. If you've ever faced the frustration of running out of storage space for your games, especially the massive modern titles, this drive is your instant fix. Designed with TLC NAND flash for better durability and performance, the OS5 delivers read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second, making game loading times nearly instantaneous. Whether you're launching a huge open-world RPG or a competitive multiplayer shooter, you'll be in the action faster than ever. What really sets this SSD apart is its pre-installed Heatsink, engineered specifically for PS5 airflow optimization. That means no thermal throttling, no overheating, and consistent peak performance, even during marathon gaming sessions. For PS5 owners, installation is a breeze. It's fully compatible and ready for direct installation right out of the box. Just pop it in, format it, and enjoy. But the OS5 isn't just for console gamers. PC users can take advantage of its blazing PCIe 4.0 interface for high-speed file transfers, heavy-duty video editing, or massive data handling. It's perfect for streamers, creators, and competitive gamers who can't afford slow load times. Plus, with a 2 TB capacity, you get space for dozens of AAA games, plus all your updates, DLCs, and save data, without the need to constantly delete and reinstall. If you want to supercharge your gaming experience and finally have the storage and speed your PS5 or PC deserves, the ORICO OS5 is an absolute beast. Upgrade today and never look back, your future self will thank you.